High proof, 30 days po ba ang maximum for each VL and SL? Or accumulated dapat 30 lang po talaga? Thank you po. Interesting question po from ma'am. It's about maximum days na pwede i-monetize ang leave credits within the year. Alright, so very timely po ang question kasi po I believe month of January, February or March ay monetization of leave credits na po sa ibang government agency. So anytime po maglabas ng memo or advisory na pwede na magpamonetize ng leave credits. So ilan ba talaga ang maximum na pwede i-monetize within the year? Sige po, I will answer this question in a direct, concise, and with example. Let's get started. Unang-una, let's know who will qualify for monetization. Answer: to qualify for monetization, officials and employees must meet the required number of leave credits earned as of December 31 ending year and June 30 of the current year as follows. Letter A, for regular monetization, officials and employees must have at least 15 days vacation leave credits. Letter B, for special monetization, officials and employees must have at least more than 30 days accumulated vacation and sick leave credits. So simply said, friends, ang basis po ng monetization of leave credits ay ano po, no? As of December 31, ending year, and June 30 of the current year. So kung ilan po yung VL at saka SL ng employee, doon po ang basis ng monetization if qualified po ang employee. So for regular monetization, kailangan may 15 days VL credits ka para maka-avail ka ng monetization na regular monetization, right? On the other hand, for special monetization, kailangan meron kang 30 days accumulated VL and SL. Meaning, kung i-add mo yung VL tsaka SL and equal to 30 days yan or more, pwede po tayo sa special monetization. So ano po ang regular monetization and special monetization? Ano ang example? Answer: officials and employees who have accumulated 15 days of vacation leave shall be allowed to monetize a minimum of 10 days, provided that at least 5 days VL credits shall be retained after monetization and provided further that a maximum of 30 days may be monetized in a given year. Under po ito sa Section 22 of CSC or Civil Service Commission Omnibus Rules on Leave. Simply said, friends, ito yung regular monetization. So kailangan talaga no na may 15 days ka na accumulated VL para you will be allowed to monetize minimum of 10 days. Basta po merong maiwan na 5 days sa vacation leave after monetization. So ang tanong ni ma'am kanina, ano ba ang maximum days na ma-monetize? Under this regular monetization, the answer, ma'am, is 30 days po ang maximum days na pwede i-monetize within the year. So 30 days po. So meron tayong what we call special monetization. So medyo different po ang answer kung magkano yung maximum days na monetization. So ano po ito? Let's know. Ito po. Monetization of 50% of all the accumulated leave credits may be allowed for valid and justifiable reasons subject to the discretion of the agency head and availability of funds. Section 23 of CSC Omnibus Rules on Leave. Simply said, friends, ma'am, Ito na po yung sagot no, na another answer po. Pwede pala, ma'am, magpa-monetize 50% sa lahat ng accumulated leave credits po ninyo for valid and justifiable reasons po. For example, payment sa credit card, payment sa tuition fee ng anak, payment ng housing loan, and other valid reasons po, mag-letter kayo sa head of the agency or agency head. Then pag ma-approve po yan and merong availability of funds, pwede po yan, ma'am. So for example, meron kang 200 accumulated leave credits, VL tsaka SL. Ang 50% po niyan sa 200 is 100 days po, di ba? Yan po ang pwede ma-monetize if meron kang valid reasons, approved ni agency head, and availability of funds, pwede po yan, ma'am, under special monetization. So very clear ang sagot natin. Sa regular monetization, maximum days, 30 days only within the year. Pero if special monetization, 50% po sa total accumulated leave credits ni employee. Alright? Hope na nasagot ko yung question ni ma'am. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.